Welcome to my channel, I'm Velena, and today I will take you through a guided meditation practice that focuses on the breath. And it's relatively short, however, highly effective, and especially if you can commit to practicing every day, just taking some time to yourself to refocus back to the present moment, and especially in those times where you are feeling overwhelmed and it seems like there is no time to dedicate to meditation practice. I would say that is the most important time to step back and breathe. And so find a comfortable seat. You can sit on a chair, or you can even lay down, or if like me you like to spend time on the floor, then you can place a cushion just underneath and tilt the pelvis slightly forwards, lengthen the spine, really take your time to come into ease and stability where you can experience your meditation practice. So let's begin. Once in a comfortable seat, start by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then you can close the mouth and start to inhale and exhale through the nostrils. Allow the breath to remain equal, the inhale, the exhale. And if you feel comfortable, you can pause in between. You can place one hand onto the belly, and as you breathe in, allow the hand to move away from the spine as the belly expands. And on the exhale, draw the belly in gently as you fully release the breath. So you can inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Just find your own rhythm that feels free and light. Then move the hand onto the heart center. Breathe in, allow the heart to expand and widen, and then breathe out. Inhale, let the heart shine. Exhale, release. And then you can place your hand onto the collarbone, just at the base of the neck, and repeat. Breathe in with the intention to invite air in this area, and then exhale to release. And then you can bring both hands to the side of the ribs. Breathing in, allow the rib cage to open, and then on the exhale to release. Breathing in to the side body, and then let the breath go. Then you can release your hands back onto the knees, and as you breathe in, visualize your whole body opening up. The front, the sides, and the back body breathing into a 3-dimensional breath. You can start to place your awareness to the different body parts that you can sense. Visualizing, feeling, and just noticing how this experience is right now, in this moment. Witnessing without judgment. If you find the mind starting to wander, you can always bring it back by focusing on the breath, on the sensations, the sounds in the room, outside, or even any internal sounds, such as the heart or your internal organs. Anything that becomes present, acknowledge it. Take a few more deep breaths. And then when you're ready, connect the palms together in front of the heart center. You can place your hands onto your heart and say thank you for this practice, for making the time, the space for yourself. You can open your eyes. Hey guys, I thought I would just add this outro because during the meditation, whilst I was filming this video, I just had this idea to add my own experience and encourage you to share yours in the comments below, because I'm really interested to hear if you did benefit from this practice, and if so, how. I personally felt a little tense at one point when I was breathing in my rib cage, and also I noticed that my intestines started to rumble and I've noticed this before during Reiki sessions, and something I learned recently was that when we do these kind of practices where we switch into the parasympathetic nervous system, I always have trouble saying that, in the rest and digest mode, our internal organs begin to relax, and why we may hear these kind of sounds, which is completely normal. Also experiencing a lot of saliva in your mouth that's another thing to indicate that you are relaxing. And something else as well, relaxing your jaw. So I did have the intention in mind to notice my facial muscles, and I did try to focus on relaxing that part of my body probably the most, because usually when we are feeling quite stressed or anxious, or whatever is making us feel into that place of fight and flight in the nervous system, then setting your intention onto relaxing and even just placing your focus there can begin to start that process of switching to the rest and digest mode. So the part of your nervous system that feels calm and relaxed. So I did really enjoy connecting to my breath, and I find that when I do practice yoga, my body feels more stable and in better form to sit for longer in meditation. But every day is different. So one day it may go smoothly, the other day it may be more challenging, but with this regular practice, you get to experience all of it. So there's no wrong or right way to do it, and when you have the right intention and you dedicate to practicing, then you make it happen. So yeah, let me know how your experience was during this meditation, and if meditation is new to you or a regular part of your life. And I'll see you in the next video.